What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We're back. The season actually ended, so today is what, Ray?
We have a mini tournament going on today.
Because next week is
Sweepers.
And you, how tall you are?
5'1". Sorry, 4'11".
Exactly. It's not sanctioned technically, huh?
It's not.
It's not sanctioned. This is just strictly for money. It's a mini tournament before we go to Sweepers. In the comments down below, let me know. It's gonna be me, Ray, and Cliff. Only 3 of us are going to Vegas next week. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to vlog it. It's like a raw, unedited sex tape by us 3 guys. But just let us know in the comments down below. We're running a little bit late. We gotta warm up because I gotta take this shit very serious. Let's win some money tonight, boys. I'll see you guys inside. Yep. On the bright side, first place. Let's get a little round of applause. Yeah. All right, round of applause over. Guess what? It's mini Sweepers Day. Let's fucking lock in. Let's get some cash so we can put it on black when we go to Vegas next week. On black on 3. 1, 2, 3. On black. Let's rock it. In today's video, it's a mini Sweepers thing. I'm a little stuffy right now, but it's a modified house shot. From what I've gathered, the line is maybe like right at the third arrow, maybe like around 13-ish, 12, 14 maybe area. Just on the one ball that I have, the Kremlin. And let's see what happens, papas. Come on. Oh. Let's rock with that. Come on, full speed, let's go. Breakdown is this. When I practiced, the line was 16, 17 front and back end, like 7. And it was fine. Carry down happened a little bit, it didn't come back. Anything past this way on the 10 arrow on the back end is not coming back. So what I figured out was front end, we're gonna stick on a down and in kind of motion. We're gonna stay a little right of the third arrow, right at more of a down and in angle, and then give us more room to swing it out if we miss. But the goal is keep it tight, keep it right, and do your thing. I'll figure out the whole
keep it right, keep it tight all the time.
Exactly. But when that line goes away and I need to hook the lane.
Are we talking about bowling?
Yes. When I figure that out, we'll get there and we'll break it down together. But we need to win today. You know why?
Keep it right, keep it tight, and then break it down.
Exactly. That when you saw me throw that shot, that was my first time throwing that line and it worked. I'm gonna try to reenact the same thing on this side, and then hopefully I can make a geometric decision based off that. I want you to be mine again, baby. Shout out to Fetty Wap. Come on. I don't know how long that line's gonna last, but I'll take it. We have to come up with a team name for summer season. E-Riders!
E-Riders.
E-Riders? We are so back, baby.
E-Riders 2.0. So good.
Welcome back, baby. Welcome to the E-Riders. Third frame. First game. I still don't think this line's gonna last very long. Let's make a one-board move to the left just in case. Front end's gonna be probably 14. Down and in. That's pretty good. That's not gonna last long. I have to do 15 next frame. 15, 16 maybe. You can see obviously like the motion's so, that gremlin's just so early. I like it though, but if I move left, like in my normal house shot line, it gives me less room for error because if I swing it out past the 10 board in the back, it's staying. So I have to burn out that line. But I haven't missed, so maybe next frame, 15, 16. Go it faster, and we'll be fine.
Right back at it. Pressure was off last week, but now pressure is slightly back on. We are doing a mini tournament. We put in $35 each to, try to win this mini Sweepers. I think we have a good shot at it, as long as we stay locked in and score high. Yeah, just like that.
I'm gonna make the move. I can survive with 15, 16 in the front end. And if I miss, that's not my fault. That's my fault. Fully. And I'll take it. Trust myself, Daddy. Oh, shit. Please. Hype. It is the end of the world. Holy fuck. detrimental. All right, here's the plan. Moving left. Front end's gonna be 17-ish. Don't hook it too far out. Slow down my speed a little. No, maintain the same speed. Keep it tight. Don't keep it too far out. And we should be okay. The lanes are breaking down pretty fast. Oh, fuck. Ball switch to what? We love a good spare ball. So, we're gonna take the lesson that we took on the last couple frames and move left. Come on. That should be the best shot. Come on now. Base up that last shot. I think I could do the same thing on this side. That should be good. Never mind. Hey, what frame are we on, boys?
Foundation frame.
That was really zesty. I like it. That was good. Oh, me, please. Oh, come on. That was me. That was me. I can't pick it up. Okay. I need to pick this up. Come on. Oh, I missed. Ah! Ah! These spare balls are a little slippery. Come on. Come on. Come on! Come on. Come on.
I was like, it's a little wide.
I'll take it. A flat 200. We have a lot of ground to make up, but at least we did 2. Let's not talk about it. The lanes are fucking different, which is fine. You know, we're made for this shit. Obviously, it's not like team versus team, but it's like if we lose against the team that are, like we're paired with, that doesn't really mean we're good in the entire, you know, tournament. I unfortunately had the highest in part, even though Ray was on a run for like a fucking 5-bagger and all that stuff. But the lanes changed, you know. We got a Brokeback Mountain this shit, right? But with that being said, hop on Hulu on May 18th and go look at the fucking preview for Balls of what?
The quiz with balls.
Exactly, because my boy Ray and everyone you know and love is on the show too. That's the brighter news of things.
Yeah, you guys will like it.
Yeah.
I have a lot of airtime.
Exactly. Game 2, let's go. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. All right, keep it tight. Front end's gonna be like 19, 20. Back end's like, you let me know in the comments, because I don't remember. But I know I'm keeping it tight. Frame 3, game 2. I have an idea of where I'm supposed to be. Can't swing it out that far out, you know? Oh, sorry. Ugh. Damn.
First game, I think I just lost confidence in how I throw. Like just bad attempts at shooting my spares. But we're here, you know, I can't be mad. Just make good shots and just be confident. Just like that.
The way you are.
The way you understand me, the way you move, the way you just whisper me.
Attention Thursday night out. Please get out your 50/50 tickets.
Beautiful f***ing shot. Let's f***ing go. And frame. Second game. Oh, f*** me. Wow. It's all about the back end, not the front end. Too far out. Keep it tight. Come on. Oh. Found the line, but I don't know how long that line's gonna last. Oh well. Like and subscribe. I got a piece so bad. I still gotta lock in. Want a double, 9 spare, and a turkey. Yo, shout out to the helpful Honda people. Especially with these gas prices right now. Shout out to them. Honda, sponsor us. Hey, what frame are we on?
Foundation.
Sorry for the lack of talking. I'm just really trying to lock in.
But what the hell,
Okay, see. If you know where that's from, put it in the comments down below. 10th frame, second game. I'm locked in. We're going to continue this. In the third game, we'll talk more. Let me just lock in for a second. Matt, cue intense focusing music.
That is Earl.
I'll take it. My bad. Oh. I'll take that. 278. I missed. Is that my water or is this my... Let's not talk about it. Game 3. Frame 1. Trying to lock in. 478 at the turn. 278 second game. 200 flat in the first. Especially having only one ball. The lanes broke down a little bit, so there's a little bit more like free hook in that back end. So I'm gonna try to use that to my advantage. Ah. You just door dashing Wingstop?
I was trying to put it in order for pickup.
You know we're just starting the third game, right?
Dude, I'm fat, bro. Come on, man.
You also know that we have the whole award thing after this, right? And breaking news, E-Man just ordered Wingstop, and we still have 3 to 2.5 hours here.
Why am I getting fat shamed right now?
No one! You said it, not me! Fuck. Yes! Woo! I gotta pee. That's the lesson of the day. Go pee. On that lane, I'll figure that out later. All right, now, lock in. I'll take that. I'll still focus on the last one because that spare ball that I just got is so new and slippery in my hand. It's not the same as like the other one that got stolen. It kind of sucks because what? I have one ball. I have a spare ball now, what I'm grateful for. But it's like, I have the grip. Come on. We're like the lowest handicap team on this entire tournament. So like, every pin matters for us. And it's also individual. So Daddy wants to make some money, baby. Come on. We'll see. Hands are cold. You know, it's so sweaty. Let's go! Tight line, missed in. There's a lot of holes. So let's not talk about that. Matt, put it in the text above. Foundation's right in place. We're locked in right now. I don't even know what to say, but I'll take it. I'm so like locked in. I don't even know like how to like dialogue this shit.
When you are done holding, please bring your score recap to John Bowman on 17 and 18.
Nice. That's not gonna be enough. 702 series. Probably not gonna be enough to win any money. But I'll take it. 702. This is where Tyler leaves after this. But I'll film something if we win something. But thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. The whole point is I want to win $5. That's all I want. Hey, how much do I want to win at least?
$5.
How much do I want to win?
$5.
If I win $5, I'm cool with it. We'll see.